Here you will see how to use Classroom tab, this one, and everything in here. Well, when you first open it, you'll see something like this. But when you are a new member and at level 1, you will have access to only some of it. Let me show you. In this different community, I am the very new member. But so some of the courses are unlocked, but at this course unlocks at level 2, this at level 3. I'm only at level 1, so for me to unlock I need to reach level 2. Well, that's that. And then when you are into the course, let's say when you are into the course, now when you finish the course, just click this, just mark as done, right? Now okay, so you'll find some of the things that are accessible and some of the modules that are not, even at the level completion. So those are called as invite only. So this challenge, whoever wins this challenge will get invited from us, and only that person can access this one. So the winner of challenges will get this access. Well, that's all for Classroom tab. Watch the resources and you like use everything you got. So everything is free, but you have to utilize them. Well, that's how you do it. Bye bye.